all the way at the end. This is the next 15 days. There's the room. Balcony. Pretty picture over the bed. Fancy looking mirror. Very elegant. Refrigerator there. We've got a closet with our life jackets. The safe. Few drawers. It's one closet. Then we'll open this one and got two closets there. Plenty of hangers. Nice small room. Got a mirror. Oh, you've got some nice hooks on the back. And got the bathroom. Nice glass acrylic door. A little bit of foot space. Shelves. Fancy. Looks like marble. Little shelves. Even a tissue holder. Very nice. Nice setup. We have USB right there and a light switch. Got a light switch right there. Oh, there's no USB on this side. Only one side. Okay. But you do have a little cabinet there. And do have a plug and another plug, European plug, and two USBs. Got a blow dryer in there. And let's see, how does this open? Here we go. And we've got a nice little fridge that feels pretty cold already, so that's really nice.